Welcome to ProductXplode. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of 360-degree cameras. You know, those little gadgets that capture everything around you from every angle. But wait, what if I told you there's one 360-degree camera that's about to change the game? Buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride with the Insta360 X4. Imagine this: you're on vacation, standing at the edge of a breathtaking cliff. The sun is setting, casting a warm glow over the landscape. You pull out your phone, eager to capture the moment. But guess what? Your phone's puny camera can't do justice to the grandeur before you. Frustrating, right? That's where the Insta360 X4 swoops in like a superhero. This little beast packs a punch. And today, I'm going to tell you why it's the only action camera you'll ever need. Let's talk resolution. The X4 doesn't mess around. It shoots mind-blowing 8K video that's more pixels than your TV screen. And don't even get me started on slow motion. It's like having a time machine in your pocket. Plus, there's a nifty 4K single lens mode for those moments when you want to keep it simple. Picture this: you're mountain biking down a rugged trail. The wind whips through your hair, and the adrenaline pumps through your veins. The X4 clings to your helmet, capturing every twist, turn, and jump. It's like strapping a Hollywood camera crew to your head. Key features and benefits. Now let's break it down. The X4 boasts a 360-degree horizon lock, no more wonky horizons ruining your shots. And the image stabilization? It's smoother than a jazz sax solo. Say goodbye to shaky videos. Why should I pay for this? Well, my friend, the X4 is a steal at $499.99. Think about it, you're getting an 8K powerhouse that fits in your pocket. It's like buying a Ferrari for the price of a bicycle. Grab your Insta360 X4. Trust me, your Instagram game will thank you. And hey, if you want more mind-blowing tech reviews, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more where this came from. Conclusion. Thanks for tuning in to ProductXplode. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep capturing those epic moments. See you in the next video.